Morning neighbors, good morning. The first thing I'm doing today is giving a special big up to Grayson. I met Grayson on Sunday gone, that's on March 2, at Island Grid in Portmore, and I was behind her and she introduced herself as, "Hi, I'm Grayson from me and my house." I was like, "Wow, hi Grayson, nice to meet you," and she was just so bubbly and so pleasant. So big up Grayson. I love when you guys see me and call to me. Please don't be afraid. I don't know why I'd be afraid. Even if I look grumpy, it's not you. It's probably stress. It's stress otherwise. But don't let it stop you from saying hi to me. Alright, but this morning I saw something very interesting on the trees. I said I'm going to show you guys before I take any further actions, so you can bear witness and experience it with me, because this is going to be something. Remember I told you about this star apple tree where there are so many of them within reach, but they just weren't ready, so we were giving them time. But I look up on it this morning because I was going to pick some akis and them start to turn purple. Them start turning purple, neighbors. That's one there. There's one more that start turning purple right here. Huh? You see some turning to purple right there?
Yeah, right there. Beside
Right
the
there?
green one.
Beside the green one?
Mm-hmm.
What are these called? You forget the names?
Yes, I think they're star apple.
Star apple, right? Good job. Good job. Star apple. Have you ever eaten star apple before? Huh?
No.
Hey, Auntie Donna. I'm going to pick whatever I can find that is purple and include it in my ackee bunch today. So yesterday we actually picked some raspberries.
Raspberries?
Yes, because every time I have the raspberries on a tree, we let them stay because they're so tough and not ripe. But then it's like we never see them ripen and then they just disappear. So the approach we took was, Tina said we could just pick them when they're not ripe, put them down so they're ripe in the kitchen. So pick some raspberries today. We can get a couple star. I keep on having to think star apples from this tree and get some ackee. That will be our loot for the day. So hold it just like that, alright? Don't move, alright? Alright, so Eva is going to be holding the camera for me. Hold it steady like this, okay? Hold it like that. Don't move, don't move. Apple. You can see that, baby?
Yes.
You can see that if you refer?
Yes, right there.
You can see me? Alright.
I put a purple.
You can see that?
Yes. I thought you just put it down, then it dropped down. Where are you gonna put it?
Look at this, neighbors. The first one. You see this, Eva?
Yes.
Nice and pretty.
It's very wet.
It's
and
very
big,
wet, right?
And I can hold it for you.
It just got bruised when it fell. But this is our first star apple for the season. Nice and pretty. Go and give this to mommy, okay?
Okay.
Soon come back when you're finished. This one is even more perfect.
Huh?
Look at this one, even more perfect. I'm just
Look at the star apple.
Oh, mommy gave you the star apple?
Yeah.
Wow. See it here, neighbors.
I want it.
Who wants some?
Me.
Wait. Alright. So this looks good, right?
Yeah.
Alright, go back up, carry it back to the front. No, you have to carry it in the kitchen, Leila. So carry it back to the front and then sit on the burner and eat, okay? Go on the burner and eat it. Carry this inside as well on the kitchen counter, okay, Eva?
Okay.
I'm not going to trouble anymore for today because some of them just start turning purple. So give them a couple more days and see if they get fully purple. But at the same time, they're too high. They're going to drop from the impact and then get bruised. We don't really want that. So I'll check back again in a couple of days or maybe tomorrow morning and see how it changes. We'll pick some ackee now for dinner. Let's do it some saltfish. Yeah, but the children are on holiday, which is why I have the luxury of not having to rush the morning. I think I can relax for the time we're normally getting them ready for school and to go to work. I can work from home today and enjoy the actual morning leading up to work. Yeah, so I hope you're having a good day. I hope your week was good. If you haven't liked the videos yet, please like it now and tell somebody about the channel. Did you enjoy your star apple?
Yes! Yes!
You like your star apple?
Yes.
See your mouth staying up? Did you enjoy the star apple, Edie? Okay, so you can get some more tomorrow, alright?
Yeah.
You want more tomorrow, Leila?
I want more now.
You want more now? There's no more right now, but tomorrow you can get some.
This
Did Zahra enjoy it as well? Okay. Did you have any other star apple?
I did not. That was it.
Okay, so maybe tomorrow we can
Well,
steal out
no,
or-
I
There's more?
saved 2.
Oh, you
for
only
me,
gave
and
them
Hannah.
2? Okay, so we can have ours later on it.
Yes, one of them is fully purple, so I know say nice.
Yeah, I think that's the last one I got.
Oh man, it's smaller, but I'm looking forward to that. So I'm gonna chill them, put them in the fridge,
Star apple yogurt.
let them get cool. Oof,
That could be nice.
nice star apple jello,
Let's recommend it to Dairy Industries.
man.
This is really great yogurt.
This is really great. Star apple flavor. Oh my gosh.
You can manage Chelsea. He's almost half his size, Eden.
Ouch.
Hush. Chelsea, hush.
And Chelsea, you feel sorry for?
Yeah, cause they were manhandling him. Hush. But they say happy birthday, Tina.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Today's an interesting day because it's Tina's birthday. It's International Women's Day, and we're on our way to a funeral for a family member that passed.
My grandma.
Tina's granddaughter. So, you guys liked the tour that we did of Maypen last video. I don't know why you enjoyed it so much, but I'm happy you did. So we're going to take you on the journey to Alston. That's where we're going, right?
Yeah, Northern Clarendon, which is near the border of Clarendon and St. Thomas.
Alright, we're on the way. So after all those twists and turns, we got here in good time. And I don't know, I like being in Alston. There's something about Alston that just feeling the sun, but I also feel cool. This elevation is a nice elevation. So yeah, it's good to be here. Even though the circumstances are unfortunate, it's still good to see family, to meet people that I've never met before from Tina's side of the family, and for her, people who she has not seen in a while and probably hasn't met before as well. So all about it to her offspring, people will be able to know them. Leila and Zahra and Hannah and Eden and Ava, people can get to know. So yeah, it's good to be here. We're not very early, but we stopped at Grandma's house to kind of refresh ourselves and then get going again.
All right,
Hi,
that
Leila.
sounds like a plan. I'm coming with you.
Nice dress. Is that her?
All right, so let me just go get me.
Who's that? Eden or Ava? Come here. Hello. Eden.
That's where you take a picture?
This is your mother, right?
Yeah.
It's who this?
I think I'm one of them. Come on.
Whoa. Whoa. Look at Tina's mom. From this and then to this. Ali, are you with this? Tina is in this picture. One of these pictures.
Where Edie's? Edie
In
outside
this
with her
one.
nails cut. Oh. What are you doing?
I'm finding.
That's Genevieve.
This is Jenny.
Yeah.
Who Hannah say
And
you were in
this-
this picture?
I don't know. This is her prom. This is her high
Women's
school prom. Women's prom.
Oh yeah, I remember this show. This is so them buried in here so too.
Yes, yes.
Okay, man. But them just the one thing.
Yes. Yes.
Vehicle debut, man.
Family, friends, well wishers. I will be reading this tribute on behalf of my mom, Beverly. My name is Tina Reed. Auntie Frida was my grand-aunt. Auntie Frida was a vibrant force, a graceful beacon whose spirited laughter would fill any room with warmth and joy. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Oh, what a foretaste of glory divine, salvation, purchase of God, born of His Spirit, washed in His blood. This is my story. This is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story. This is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. See, I can only imagine.
Of course, ice cream break. Tastes nice. Say thank you. Can manage. Oh yeah. Hold it. Alright. Can manage it. Around to help you. Alright. Yeah, the sun hot now. Feeling cool breeze, but time hot, so them say them want ice cream, and they're a bit restless. So they're getting their ice cream break. Thank you.
Nice, baby.
So remember, in the country they do it big. They go all out in funerals. So this is a grave, a tomb, whatever you want to call it, and it's covered. It's a big establishment.
It have many rooms,
Yes.
many sections.
We're now walking to the burial spot, the graveside. Getting some country scenery. It's what the star apple tree.
Oh yes.
Blossoming. You know, so me give carbon to many yams heads. Many yam plantation.
You might take in scenery.
This reminds me when we went to look for up Jenny place in St. Thomas. I don't know why. Me and her mother and her.
Wow, stop laugh after me.
Tina forgot to bring her flats and we're walking a little distance. Many potholes. Take up the glass, please.
Come down, go follow mommy. You stay right here. We don't want you to get lost. Somebody will steal you, believe that you don't have no mommy and no dad. Get it?
Oh boy, true words got my tiller. So, what was mommy doing? Tina was doing the meeting and greeting and catching up with her family members that she has not seen in years. Alright, here goes. I think this is Charlene. I'm going to try to name all the people that I met. No, she never told me who this lady was that she was speaking to, but she was catching up with her. Big up the chef every time. No, I should have started this because I don't remember who this is either. I'm so sorry there. Alright, I know who this is. This is Chris. I believe this is Chris. And this is the boss, Sir Brett. Or was this Chris? I don't know if this was Chris or the first guy. But this is Peaches. I am 95% sure this is Peaches.
Think on, cat.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
You leaving?
Yeah,
Oh, it's been a really long day. But it was a good day, a day well spent. So, our day in Alston has come to an end. So we're now signing out and preparing to head back to Clarendon. And probably get some food for Tina's birthday because we're still celebrating Tina's birthday on International Women's Day. But neighbors, until next time, you know it's Paul and the rest of the family. So big up yourself and goodbye from me and my house. I love this background. You see this little house here, this nice little quaint house, and then this big tree. Man, country nice, you know. Try to find a lot in country and come live. But not too much of you though. Anyway, later. Bye bye.